Assalamualaikum everyone. So Pepes are really causing some manipulation and troubles at the moment. It does seem like Pepe is losing that star power that we previously saw. So I'm talking about the Pepe itself. I'm talking about Pepe 2 as well. And there's another one called Crazy Pepe as well. Okay, so I'm looking at that one. So right now, again, this 1, 2, 3, we still have suspense, we're still holding support, we're still safe, we're quite safe right now. Now for some reason one might say that the support is being lost, right? There are so many ways of looking at a trend line. Number one is, do we have to take wicks, okay, or do we have to redraw this trend line and consider the bodies? Now what I'm talking about is, just gonna zoom in so that you can see. As you can see here, I'm taking the wicks. I'm actually considering the wicks. What if I don't consider the wicks and drag this trend line up to the body? Okay, now we consider the bodies, not the wicks. And I zoom out, and when I zoom out, I still have to drag this and consider the body. Okay, so if you consider the body right there and you consider this body right here, based on the body psychology, it seems like the trend line is actually lost and this body is trying to retest to actually go down. And if you zoom out here, one can say that, you know what, Pepe has lost the trend line. But I do like the idea that, 3 touches make a trend line. So basically, this is to me what looks like a trend line: 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so that to me still looks like a trend line that is being respected, because if I do go into the 4-hour time frame, the 4-hour time frame does show that you know what, does look like this. Okay, we still have everything intact, everything is still going on, because when you zoom into the smaller time frame, it does look like the trend line was never really lost. So the trend line is still intact. I'm not actually in support of the body right now because this one looks better to me. So let's get the support line perfect. Now let's talk about the resistance line once again. Is this your double top? One can say it's a double top. So basically, you can even say that instead of doing just that, we can take a rectangle and draw a zone right there. So I'm looking for a rectangle right there, and we can actually place the rectangle like this, and we say that that's the zone. So basically we still need to see we need to see a break above the zone right there. I'm just gonna decrease the opacity right there. So this is your zone, and come up here, break the zone above and hold the zone, and then boom, you move to the upside. So right now, let's see what can happen again. So if you're going to be holding up this thing, then you're looking for a move back up. Now let's see if you're breaking this trend line as well. So I'm taking that trend line and I'm going to draw the trend line here, and it does seem like you've already broken this trend line again. And if things go amazing, you still have another opportunity and you're looking for a move back up to this area. And if you're more interested, maybe go back up. So we're talking about another 7-8% move to the upside, which couldn't happen some few days ago right now. So that's it for this very quick update on Pepe. I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.